Bitcoin mining has become a significant industry in the cryptocurrency world. But how can you get into this potentially lucrative business? Let's explore the steps and considerations for starting your own Bitcoin mining operation. Bitcoin mining is the process of using specialized computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which validates transactions on the Bitcoin network. Miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins for their efforts. To begin your journey into Bitcoin mining, you first need to understand the basic requirements. The most crucial component is powerful specialized hardware known as application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs. These machines are designed specifically for mining cryptocurrencies and are much more efficient than regular computers. You'll also need a reliable internet connection, a cryptocurrency wallet to store your earnings, and access to cheap electricity, as mining consumes a significant amount of power. Now, let's go through the steps to start your Bitcoin mining business. First, research and purchase your mining hardware. Consider factors like hash rate, power consumption, and price when selecting your ASICs. Next, choose a mining pool to join. Mining pools allow you to combine your computing power with other miners, increasing your chances of earning rewards. Set up your mining operation in a location with low electricity costs and a cool climate, as ASICs generate a lot of heat. Ensure proper ventilation and cooling systems are in place to maintain optimal performance of your equipment. Install mining software on your devices and configure it to connect to your chosen mining pool. It's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in Bitcoin mining technology and market trends. The mining difficulty and Bitcoin price fluctuations can significantly impact your profitability, so be prepared to adapt your strategy as needed. There are several challenges to consider when entering the Bitcoin mining business. The initial investment can be substantial, and the industry is highly competitive. You'll need to factor in ongoing costs such as electricity, maintenance, and potential hardware upgrades. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency mining varies by country, so be sure to understand the legal implications in your area. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin mining can be a rewarding venture for those willing to invest the time, money, and effort. By carefully planning your operation, staying informed about industry developments, and adapting to changes in the market, you can position yourself for success in the world of Bitcoin mining.